It's always a pleasure for me to be able to come to Iloilo. It's time for me to be reacquainted and to establish and maintain some kind of bonding to the very roots where I come. We have to aspire always to become professional healers. In closing, may I share with you the following characteristics of a nurse healer by Barbara Dock. 1. Aware that self-healing is a continuous process. 2. Familiar with the terrain of self-development. 3. Open to self-discovery. 4. Continues to develop clarity about life's purpose to keep them from acting mechanical and bored. 5. Aware of present and future steps for personal growth. 6. Model self-care in order to help self and patients with the inward process. 7. Aware that his presence is equally important as technical skills. 8. Respects and loves patients regardless of whom or how they are. 9. Offers the patient methods of working on life issues. 10. Guides the patient in discovering creative options. 11. Presume that the patient knows the best life choices. 12. Listen attentively. 13. Empowers the patient to recognize that they can cope with life process. 14. Shares insight without imposing personal values and beliefs. 15. Accepts what patients say without judging. And 16. Seek time with patients as being there for them to serve and share. Finally, I would like you to remember that outstanding people have one thing in common: an absolute sense of mission. To nurses who are imbued with professionalism, that mission is to render holistic quality care and to be committed to quality services in the highest degree we can. Lastly, remember that no destination cannot be reached if one walks with God. Thank you and Godspeed.